Check out this pre-owned 2006 Nissan Frontier SE. This 4-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 4.0-liter V6 engine, with rear-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Nissan has less than 55,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power steering, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, tow hooks, and window defogger. Call us today at 818-892-8689. Come and take advantage of our easy financing and low monthly payments.